If you're looking to automate invoice creation and payment collection, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll break down exactly how to set up a streamlined, automated process so you can save time, reduce errors, and make your billing process as smooth as possible. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to choose the right software for automating your invoices and payment collection. There are lots of options out there, but after testing several of the most popular tools, I've found one that offers the best combination of features and ease of use. You can grab an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below, just for viewers of this channel, so stick around for that. Once you've got the software set up, the first thing you'll do is integrate it with your client list and payment systems. Most invoice automation software will allow you to import your client contacts from a CRM or a simple CSV file. This makes it easy to avoid manually entering client details, saving you time on every invoice. Next, you'll want to create your invoice templates. With the right software, this is simple. Just choose from pre-built templates or create a custom one that fits your business needs. Add your logo, business info, and payment terms. You can even set up recurring invoices for subscription-based services or regular clients. This way, invoices will automatically be generated on your preferred schedule without you lifting a finger. Now, let's talk about collecting payments. With automated invoicing software, payment links can be added directly to your invoices, allowing clients to pay immediately through various online methods like credit cards, PayPal, or bank transfers. Plus, some software offers the ability to set up reminders for clients who haven't paid on time, reducing the back and forth and ensuring you get paid promptly. Once a payment is received, the software can automatically mark the invoice as paid, and you'll receive a notification. This is key for staying organized and avoiding double invoicing or missed payments. Additionally, many systems sync with your accounting software, so you don't have to manually enter transaction data. If you want to take it a step further, you can even automate your late payment follow-ups. The software can send out reminders or follow-up emails if a payment is overdue, ensuring that your cash flow stays on track without you needing to manage it yourself. To wrap it up, let's quickly go over the main points. First, choose a software that fits your business needs and integrates with your client list and payment methods. Next, set up your invoice templates, add payment links, and automate your reminders and follow-ups. Finally, make sure the software syncs with your accounting tools so you stay organized. One key takeaway: automating invoice creation and payment collection not only saves you time, but also helps you get paid faster and stay on top of your financials. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available for my viewers, so check it out and follow along to make your invoicing process smoother than ever. Thanks for watching.